Big T. We're sitting here at the Corvettes fixing to leave. Let me see if I can show you this. These guys over here are going nuts. Not sure what kind of birds those are.
Whitefinch?
I don't know.
No birds.
I don't know birds either. I think that they're out there. They're in that water. There they are. There's a bunch of them. I know that.
Barn swallows? I don't know. They're small birds.
All right. I just thought I'd show you that crazy looking birds flying around. I don't know, eating bugs, drinking water, whatever. All right. Big T Garage. It's Monday morning. Whoa, there they come back.
I think they're barn swallows.
I don't know. I'm just having them a big time. All right, we're gonna get out of here. We just fed the horses, Heavy and Tall Z and Big T.
Natural pest control.
They're all, whoop, there they are, coming way over here. Not sure if anybody knows what kind of birds they are. How about comment that? Then we'll know, and you'll know.
They eat insects.
All right. See you later. Bye. Bye. Where's the other guys at? Oh, there they are. Oh, I wanted to show you that before I got off the video. That's all the big old geese that's been hanging out over there for a while. We see them just about every day. All right. See you later. Bye.